Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache of Cooking Craze. So let's get started. First, launch open settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on Apps. Now, this panel is going to show up. Among all of these options, select Manage Apps option. Now, scroll down until you find Cooking Craze game. Tap on Cooking Craze. Now to clear cache of Cooking Craze, tap on Clear Data option, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then tap on Clear Cache option. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear cache of Cooking Craze. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.